Short Tigrinya Grammar, ሰዋስው Tigrinya. We will continue with pronouns. And in this lesson, we will work on demonstrative pronouns, which point to specific things: this, that, these, those.
There are 4 demonstrative pronouns in English grammar. This, that, these, those. Tigrinya grammar has 12. Why is that? Because, in Tigrinya, the demonstrative pronoun is also conjugated for gender and polite form. The demonstrative pronoun, this.
አመልካቲ ክንድ ስም እዚ እዚኣ
First, let us look at the singular demonstrative pronoun, this. In Tigrinya, this can refer to a person or thing and can be either masculine or feminine. We will skip the polite form in this lesson.
እዚ
This masculine,
እዚኣ ወይ እዛ
this feminine,
እዚ ወዲ
this boy masculine,
እዛ ጓል
this girl feminine,
እዛ ማኪና
this car feminine,
እዚ ጣውላ
this table masculine. Demonstrative pronouns, that.
አመልካቲ ክንድ ስም እቲ እቲኣ እቲ
That, masculine singular.
እቲኣ
That feminine singular.
እቲ ሰብኣይ
That man, masculine.
እታ ሰበይቲ
That woman, feminine.
እታ ድሙ
That cat, feminine. Demonstrative pronouns, these.
አመልካቲ ክንድ ስም እዚኣቶም እዚኣተን እዚኣቶም
These, masculine plural.
እዚኣተን
These, feminine plural.
እዞም ኣወዳት
These boys, masculine.
እዘን ኣዋልድ
These girls, feminine.
እዘን መኪናታት
These cars, feminine. Demonstrative pronouns, those.
ኣመልካቲ ክንድ ስም እቲኣቶም እቲኣተን እቲኣቶም
Those, masculine plural.
እቲኣተን
Those, feminine plural.
እቶም ሰብኡት
Those men masculine.
እተን ኣንስቲ
Those women, feminine.
እተን ደማሙ
Those cats, feminine. Demonstrative pronouns,
ኣመልካቲ ክንድ ስም ንጽል ብዙሕ
singular. Plural,
ቀረባ ርሑቕ
near, far.
እዚ እዚኣ
This,
እዚኣቶም እዚኣተን
these.
እቲ እቲኣ
That,
እቲኦም እቲኤን
those.